In this video, you'll learn how to create a Windows installation package in Symantec Endpoint Protection Cloud. An installation package lets you enroll multiple Windows devices using the distribution method that works best for you. For example, if you have Active Directory, you can use a group policy object to deploy the package. Or you can post the package to a file share or copy it to a USB drive. To create a package in SEP Cloud, on the Groups, Users, and Devices page, open the plus menu and select Create Installation Package. You use the Windows installation package to enroll servers, but you can also create a package to enroll other Windows devices as well. Be sure to select the right type of package for your needs. For this demo, we'll create a server package. Then you choose the group that the devices will be added to. The default group is pre-selected. But in this case, we want to add the servers to another group that we created, so we'll select that group instead. Note that when you use a package to enroll Windows devices, they're not associated with a user. They're added directly to the group you select when you create the package. Press Download Package. When the download is complete, run the file. The Symantec Download Manager creates the package, which may take a few minutes. Press Finish, and then open the new folder containing the installation files. An MSI file is provided to use with an AD group policy. If you need more information about how to set one up, you can search the Microsoft Knowledge Base. If you're going to distribute the package from a shared folder or walk it from device to device on a USB drive, use the executable file. Just copy the .exe file to the device you want to enroll, then run the file and follow the instructions.